The MemoBike 6050 is an innovative diagnostic tool designated to handle today's technical requirements. To work on a motorbike requires professional knowledge and passion, and most necessary, one must have the right tools to get the right results quickly. Because of the broad coverage of makes and models, the MemoBike 6050 is the best choice for the independent workshops and mechanics. The MemoBike 6050 starts up in less than 10 seconds. No other scan tool is as fast. To work on motorbikes requires the advanced engineering and diagnostics built into the MemoBike 6050. This will lead to greater success for the mechanic. All the diagnostic features required by the manufacturer are available for you. Display ECU data, erase faults, visualization of parameters, and all the configurations that will allow you to be fully independent. The service functions required by the manufacturers are intuitive, making it easy to diagnose the vehicle without problems. The MemoBike 6050 was designed to make it easy to use and will detect automatically the vehicle's electronic equipment. Just select the brand and the MemoBike 6050 does the rest. One has the option to select manual diagnostics as well. One of the most useful functions is the error codes global search. One click and the MemoBike 6050 will check of the vehicle's control units and report with a complete overview in seconds. With the recording function, it is simple to analyze the behavior and response of the vehicle in driving conditions. The universal cable is included, and by following the simple instructions on the color display, you can connect to most of the control units through the communication pins. There are dedicated connector cables for more than 50 brands. All are engineered and manufactured in Italy and guaranteed for maximum reliability. The MemoBike 6050 is multilingual. You can choose from English, German, Spanish, French, Portuguese, Polish, Greek, and Russian. The intelligent battery supply system uses the vehicle battery, but if low voltage is dedicated, the MemoBike 6050 automatically switches to the long-lasting lithium batteries to maintain continuous and proper communication. The MemoBike 6050 makes it easy to save and store completed diagnostics, to review again and to print. The device accessory greatly expands the capability of the MemoBike 6050, making it the most powerful tool on the market. The user interface is intuitive and allows you to carry out complex operations, including synchronization of the throttle valves and dynamic analysis of the manifold intake pressures.